We're here today on the 25th of September at Honesberie Shooting School in Priors Marston for the Ernest Hardy Property Networking Clay Shooting Day. Today is really about bringing property professionals and investors together to network and enjoy themselves over a bit of clay shooting. Bit of a competitive element to it. As you can see in the background, the pickup truck supplied very kindly by DV8 Works in Stratford. The winner of the shooting day today will receive the brand new Mercedes X-Class for 1 week. The day is really just about bringing property professionals together in a relaxed atmosphere and having fun and building up some good business relationships.